Good morning to each and everyone. And today is our last session or last virtual class. Okay. And our lesson is all about the linear programming. This is the last modules. We have two last modules today. We're going to discuss the last two modules today, which is the maximize and the minimize problems. Allow me to share my screen first before we start. Don't worry, it is recorded ang ating session. So first, mata muna tayo sa 18. Yan. Okay. Galing, no? Natapos nyo ang Math 152. Sana mai-survive nyo hanggang sa dulo. Sana walang babagsak. Sana lahat kayo pumasa. Okay? Once again, good morning to each and everyone. So we have been practicing the problem-solving strategy from the very first lesson. In this lesson, you will read and understand the material independently using this strategy. So, pwede kayong maglabas ng modules ninyo. So, linear programming is a method of dealing with decision problems that can be expressed as constrained linear models. It also helps us, or the managers, to ideally develop a production schedule and inventory policy that will satisfy the sales demand in the future. So, linear programming, marami siyang naiambag sa totoong buhay. Okay? First, we're going to discuss the maximization problem. Meron tayong tatlong objectives. We're going to solve, interpret, and use linear programming to solve specific business problems like managing resources or maximizing profits. So last time we discussed about the profits. Okay. So here in maximization is integrated with the profits. Okay. And we have two properties of linear programming. The two properties of linear programming is, sinabi ko na kanina, the first one is the maximization. So it is denoted as max, and the minimize, minimize. The maximize and the minimize. And when it comes to maximum or maximize, that it is all about the profit, the total profit. So it is denoted as P, or in the form of equation that is AX plus BY. And when it comes to minimize problems, that is denoted by C. C is cost. C is equivalent to EX plus BY. So from the word itself, maximize, the maximum profit. So yun yung pinakamataas. From the word itself, minimize, the minimum cost, kung saan siya makakatipid. The minimum is the lowest, the lowest number that we're going to solve. Okay? And we have also the two types of constraints. We have two types. Number one is explicit. Pwede natin siyang tawagin explicit. But in the other book, ang tawag sa kanya is structural. Structural constraint. Shortcut ko na yung constraints. And number one, if we have explicit, of course, we have implicit. Implicit is also known as the non-negativity constraints. Non-negativity constraints. Yeah. Again, we have two types of constraints, explicit and implicit. Explicit, okay, that's the time that we're going to use the mathematical equation. Ito na yung mga mathematical equation, guys. Ito naman, non-negativity, gagamit lang tayo dito ng 0. Okay, 0, 0. 0 lang yan kasi implicit lang siya. So, to make it clear, let's have an example. Example 1, a tutoring center offers 2 types of tutoring sessions, mathematics and English. Then each tutoring session requires the assistance of 2 tutors, tutor 1 and tutor 2. Then each mathematics. So, meron tayong subjects na dalawa, mathematics and English. Then meron tayong tutor 1 and tutor 2. Then each daw mathematics session requires 1 hour. 1 hour tutoring by tutor 1, 2 hours naman yung tutor 2. Sa English naman, meron tayong 2 hours by tutor 1, 2 hours naman by tutor 2. Then the center has tutor 1 available for 20 hours. So yung tutor 1 tutor 1 is available siya ng 20 hours each month. Then yung pangalawang tutor, available lang siya for 30 hours each month. Ito na yung tubo. The profit per mathematics session is 200 pesos. And the profit per English session is 300 pesos. So how many sessions of each type should the center schedule each month to maximize? So we're going to use maximization here. Okay? Then the first step that we're going to use is we're going to let X and Y, the mathematics and English. At in-insert ka lang itong mahalaga yan. First, we're going to let X number of mathematics. This is number of mathematics. Okay, this is number of mathematics sessions. Then let Y number of English. This is English sessions. Okay? Kanina, nabanggit ko, we have tutor 1. Tutor 1 and we have tutor 2. Okay, so meron tayong math at English. Okay? And nabanggit din doon yung availability. The center has a tutor of 1 available, 20 hours, available for 30 hours. Ilagay ko dito sa dulo is availability. Availability. Okay. Doon sa tutor 1, nabanggit doon na each mathematics session requires 1 hour. 1 hour for tutoring by tutor 1 and 2 hours by tutor 2. So sa mathematics, meron tayong 1 hour per tutor 1. For math, sa tutor 1 daw, 1 hour lang. Tapos yung tutor to sa math, 2 hours yung kanyang oras. Next naman sa English. In English, sabi niya doon, so we have each English sessions requires 2 hours by tutor 1. So 2 hours by tutor 1. So we have 2 hours here. And sabi niyo dun sa problem, and tutor 2 and 2 hours by tutor 2. So 2 hours again for English, tutor 2. 2 hours. How about the availability of mathematics? We have the availability of tutor 1. Tutor 1 available for 20 hours. So yung tutor 1, available lang siya for 20 hours. 20 hours. So we have the tutor 1 ha. Next is the yung tutor 2, availability niya is 30 hours each month. So lagay natin dito 30 hours. Okay, next. Sabi niyan sa profit, the profit for mathematics session is 200 pesos. So sa mathematics, meron tayong 200 pesos. So, mathematics is 200 Ito yung profit. 200 pesos. For English, we have 300 pesos. We're going to write 300 pesos here. That's it. So this is our data. Again, for mathematics, that is our X. And for English, that is our Y. For tutor 1, nasabi doon sa problem, the tutor 1, 1 hour. For tutor 2, 2 hours yung kanyang availability in teaching math. But overall availability per month is 20 hours. For tutor 1, tutor 2 is 30 hours. So that is the data. So these are the data in a given number 1 and our problem number 1. Kitang-kita po yung pagkasunod-sunod dyan. Next, punta na tayo sa maximize. Dito tayo. So maximize. So our maximize. So lagay ko na lang dyan max. Max is kunin natin yung profit. Kasi maximization is denoted as profit. So P, tapos kunin natin yung 200 X plus 300 Y. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo kanina, we have two types of constraints and we have the properties of linear programming. The maximization is denoted as P is equal to AX plus BY, which is already written here in our maximize equation. So saan po galing si 200? Yan yung 200 sa math. Kaya nilagay ko siya ng X kasi math is X. Nilagyan ko siya ng Y kasi yung English is Y. Okay, next. Ito naman yung tinatawag natin na subject. Okay, subject 2. Dito na papasok si constraints. Yung two types of constraints. Yan papasok si explicit or structural and implicit or the non-negativity. The first one is kukunin natin sa tutor 1. The tutor 1 have 1 hour and 2 hours and 20 hours. Always remember that when it comes to maximization, guys, when it comes to maximization, since it is a maximization, inequality symbol is always less than or equal to. So gumagamit siya most likely less than or equal to. Vice versa sila. Kung minimize naman, siyempre greater than or equal to. Pero depende yun sa problem. May mga problem kasi na binibigay doon magka-opposite. Pero pag hindi po binigay yung problem, always remember that in getting the structural constraints, always use the less than or equal to. The first one, the tutor 1, kunin natin yung 1 hour, 2 hours, and 20 hours. Ibig sabihin, 1 hour is X, English 2 hours is Y, and then meron tayong less than or equal to. Diba? Maximization. Ibig sabihin, ang sagot dyan is X, 2Y is less than or equal to 20. X plus 2Y less than or equal to 20. Okay, next. Yung pangalawa naman. So 2 hours yan, kaya 2X. 2 hours is 2Y less than or equal to 30. Okay natin dito. 2X plus 2Y less than or equal to 30. Ito yung tinatawag natin explicit. Okay? Explicit ang tawag dyan. Yung two types of constraints. Explicit ang tawag dyan. Okay, explicit. Explicit. Tapos yung susunod naman dyan is yung non-negativity or implicit. Implicit. Ito yung non-negativity constraints, which is always gumagamit siya ng X greater than or equal to 0 and Y is greater than or equal to 0. Kasi nga non-negativity siya, so ibig sabihin 0 pataas. Sir, ito bang non-negativity ko or implicit is constant? Hindi siya nagbabago? Yes. Parehas lang yan. So ilagay mo lang yan for formality. Okay? Again, saan po galing yung first equation? Our first equation is the tutor one. The second equation that we have here is the second tutor. Tutor number 2, which is 2x plus 2y is less than equal to 30. Diyan po yan galing. Okay? Okay, thumbs up if nasundan po yung ating equation. Thumbs up. So, can you please click the like button if naintindihan yung equation natin? Are you sure? You have problem or concerns, questions regarding our equation, please type your concern, problems, or nako-confuse kayo sa equation, then lagay nyo sa problem sa chat box natin. Para bago ako mag-move, lahat kayo nakakasunod. Okay? Next. So we're done with the equation. Babalikan naman natin ngayon yung ginawa natin sa day number 17. Kukunin natin yung x and y intercept. Itong first equation to ha, this is our first equation. This is our second equation. So we have x plus 2y less than or equal to 20. And then, since we're looking for the value of x and y intercept, always remember that in getting the x and y intercept, we must express our equation first in equal sign, just like this. Okay? Then, since we're looking for the x-intercept, so we're going to let y is equal to 0. Okay? This is x-intercept. So, in getting the x-intercept, just let y is equal to 0, just like this. And then the answer will be x is equal to 20. Okay? I repeat, this is x is equal to 20. Next. Or since we're looking for the, i-graph natin siya, kaya dapat ilagay nyo dito 20, tapos 0. Next naman, yung y-intercept. In getting the y-intercept of our first equation, just copy x plus 2y. X plus 2y equals 20. Then since y-intercept ang hinahanap, we're going to let x is equal to 0. Then this is 2y is equal to 20. So 2y is equal to 20. Then y is equal to 10 kasi divide mo yung 20 sa 2. Then the equation will be 0 and 10. Next, this is first equation. Let's move on to second equation, which is 2x plus 2y less than or equal to 30. So we're going to get the value of x-intercept. So we're going to let y is equal to 0. 2x plus 2 times 0 is equal to 30. So cancel na yan. So magiging 2x is equal to 30. Then divide both sides by 2. Then the answer will be 15. Then the ordered pair is 15, 0. Next, for the y-intercept of second equation, copy 2x plus 2y equals 30. Okay? Then since we're looking for the value of y-intercept here, then let x is equal to 0 plus 2y is equal to t. Cancel na yan. This is 2y is equal to 30. Divide nyo sa 2, magiging y is equal to 15. Then the equation, the ordered pair is 0 and 15. Kasi may laman si y, ang x. Okay, thumbs up. Thumbs up, guys. Did you understand about the x and y intercept? Okay, these are the ordered pair. So we're going to plot this one in our Cartesian plane. Yan, yung apat na yan. Pero, kailangan mo natin kunin yung kanyang point of intersection. So what is the point? Point of intersection. Meron tayong point of intersection. To get the point of intersection, elimination method ang ating ginagamit. It could be a plus or minus. The goal of elimination method is to have a one variable or to eliminate one variable. So since our first equation here is x plus 2y, palagay na natin dyan na equals 20, then 2x plus 2y equals 30. Yun yung dalawang equation natin. Kung titignan mo, ano yung pinaka-best na operation na gamitin natin para ma-eliminate yung isang variable dito? Answer? What is our best operation para ma-eliminate yung isang variable at may matitirang isang variable pa? Is it plus or minus? Hello? Is it plus or minus? Type your answer, guys. What is the operation that we are going to use if we have this equation? So, how are we going to eliminate one variable and then may matitirang isang variable? What is the operation? Is it minus or plus? Hello? Minus, sabi ni Bien. Very good. So we're going to subtract variable to variable and constant to constant. So x plus 2y minus 2x plus 2y equals 20 minus 30. So kapag pinag-minus natin dito, i-distribute natin yung negative sign dito. Okay, this is negative 2x minus 2y equals 20 minus 30. So magiging x plus y. Ating like terms. X to negative 2x is negative x. Then negative 2y to negative cancel na yan. So the answer here is negative 10. Siyempre, bawal mag-negative, di ba? So i-divide natin sa negative 1. So our answer here is x is equal to 10. So our x-intercept or our x coordinate is 10 for the point of intersection. For the y, so kunin natin yung x na i-distribute natin sa first equation. Pili kayo dyan, it's either first or second. Ang pinili ko ay yung first. Then, copy the first equation, then substitute the value of x, which is 10, to the first equation para makuha natin yung value ng y. So, this is 10 daw. And then, plus 2y equals 20. Yung 10 na yan, pupunta sa kabila kasi adding like terms. So, 2y equals 20 minus 10. Okay, yung 10 pupunta sa kabila, kaya negative 10. So, magiging 2y equals 10. Divide natin sa 2. So, y is equivalent to 5. So, our point of intersection now is x, y. So, we have 10 and 5. So, this is our point of intersection. Thumbs up kung nagets po ang pagkuha ng point of intersection. Can you please click the thumbs up kung nasundan po yung pagkuha ng point of intersection. Next. So we're done with the point of intersection. Now we're ready to connect all the dots or all the coordinates in Cartesian plane. Okay, we're going to use the Cartesian plane here. So I hope everyone is familiar with the Cartesian plane, and everyone must know how to plot the coordinates. Okay, so this is our, kalimutan kong maglagay ng dito. Okay. Sige. 20 naman yun eh, so lagay ko 20. So the first 20, yung first equation natin ito, 20 and 20, 0 and 0, 10. So yung 20, 0 is nasa right side siya. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So nandito si 20 and 0. Next naman, lagay natin si 0 and 10. Nandito na ako 0, 10. 0, 10, ibig sabihin pataas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. 10, 0, and 10 kasi y siya. This is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. So, i-connect natin yan. If, so, insert tayo ng line. This is our first line. Si linear siya kaya straight. Okay. Wait. Tatabayin natin ng content. Okay. That is our equation 1. Next is, this is equation 1. Let's move on to equation number 2. Equation number 2, the coordinates are the following, 15, 0, and 0, 15. Okay, 15, 0, and 15, 0, 15. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Baliktad ang pinagbilang ko. Dapat nauna dun sa para 5 beses ko lang siya bibilang. So ang 15, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nandito ang 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So ito yung plot ng 15, 0. And sa kabila naman is 0, 15. So 10 na yan, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So nandito si 0 and 15. Yan. Kuha tayo ulit ng isang stick. Locate natin yan. This is our... So our point of intersection is here. This is the point of intersection. Sabi na niya sa point of intersection na nakuha natin. It's 10 and 5. So ilagay natin yung 10 and 5 dito. Approximately 10 and 5. This is our point of intersection. 10, 5. So dito sila nag-intersect. So intersection is 10, 5. Nakuha na natin yan kanina. Ito yan. Next. Next is, kunin natin yung, this is equation number 2, di ba? Then kunin na natin yung highlighter. Then punta tayo doon sa original equation. The symbol of original equation is less than. So less than po yan lahat So ang shaded region or the shaded part of our equation 1, since less than siya, pababa. Okay, so lahat yan pababa. Equation 1 is ito po. Ito yung equation 1 natin. So lahat po yan is pababa. Yan. Yan yung shaded part. Pababa po yan. Okay? Yan. 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 Next naman, pababa ulit yung equation number 2. Yan. 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 Ay, sorry. Gamit tayo ng ano pa yun? Ibang kulay. Gamit tayo ng red. Hindi pwedeng red. Hindi na lang. Yan, 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 yan. Yan, 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 yan. Yan, yan. Equation 2. Ilang equation 2 hanggang dito lang. And tandaan ninyo, ang border natin is ito. This is our border. And ito yung border natin. So, bawal na siya. Ito, bawal nang kunin yung mga yan kahit nag-overlap na. Okay? Kasi may border tayo. So, ang pinaka intersection dito is from here up to here hanggang dito lang. Yan, hanggang dito lang yung intersection nila. Yan. So, ang tawag dyan is feasible region. Feasible region. Okay? So, kukunin na natin ngayon yung mga vertices. The first vertices here is, the first vertices is 0, 10. So 0 and 10. Next is 10, 5. 10 and 5. Ito naman is 15, 15 and 0. Kasi yan lang yung feasible region. So tatlo lang yan. Ito, huwag nyo nang kunin yan kasi 0, 0 yan. So 1, 2, 3 ang ating vertices. Okay. Ngayon, ang tawag niyan is feasible vertices. Kunin natin ngayon yung pinaka-equation natin, which is the maximize. So, 200x, lagay natin dito. Ay, kulangan ng space. Kulang. Lagay ko yung isang space dito. Ay, balik. Okay. So, ilagay natin yung maximize. Prove na natin siya. So, P is equal to 200x plus 300y. So, ano yung mga ginamit natin? Ito po yung mga ginamit na vertices. 0, 10. Okay, 0 and 0, 10. Lagay muna natin yan. 0 and 10. And 10, 5. 10, 10, 5. Tapos 15, 0. 15 and 0. So substitute natin siya. Tingnan natin yung pinaka-maximum. Kung sino yung may highest value, yun yung maximum. So this is P is equivalent to 200 times 0 plus 300 times 10 is equivalent to, so ito yung X natin, ito yung Y. So what is 200 times 0? Cancel na yan. Then plus 300 times 10. So since 10 lang yan, madali lang siya multiply. 3,000 yan. Next is 200 times 10 plus 300 times 5 equals, so this is 200 times 10 is 2,000. Then 300 times 5, it is 1,500. So magiging 3,500. Next naman, this is 200 times 15 plus 300 times 0 equals, what is 200 times 15, guys? So parang yung 0, kunin mo na yung dalawang 0, tapos 15 times 2 is 30, sir. Oh, 3,000 din. So our answer here, the maximum or the highest value or highest ordered pair here is yung 10 and 5. Ito yung ating sagot. Okay, therefore, our answer will be 10. 10 for math session. Kasi math, yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung first is X, so math yan. And then we have 5 for English. English session. So the answer here is, the order pair is 10 and 5. So ito na yung pinaka-maximum niya. Kasi 3,000 lang ito, 3,000 lang ito. So maximum is 3,500. So welcome to Maximization. Questions? Hello? Questions po? Oh, kamusta Bien? Kamusta Paul? Mga mathematician ko dyan? Questions? Hello? Ang usok na. Di ba, na-discuss na natin yung 17, it is a continuation niya. Ngayon, medyo madugo kasi kukunin natin yung maximization niya. So, next is the minimization. Try nga. Babalikan ko tong number 2. Kailangan ko yung i-discuss yung minimize. Kasi mas madali yung minimize kasi binibigay na yung interpretation ng problem. I mean, yung data like this. Tingnan nyo yung minimize. Na tayo sa minimize. Minimization. Okay, ito yun, no? nature of constraints, kapag maximization, lagi siyang gumagamit ng less than or basta pala, yun yung isipin natin kapag maximization less than or equal. Kapag minimize naman ang ginagamit niya is greater than or equal. Okay? So, direct na tayo dito. O, ganito na agad yung minimize. Binibigay niya na yung mga data. O, di ba? Mas madali na kapag ganyan. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung ating tinatawag na objective. This is our objective function. Guys, kapag may binigay na ganyan, ang tawag dyan is the objective. C kasi nga, minimize ang ginagamit natin. Di ba? Kapag minimization, C. Kapag maximization, P. And so, kanina, so ang tawag natin sa, hindi ko nalagyan, objective. So, ito yung objective natin. Ito. This is our objective function. Okay? Objective function ang tawag dyan. Balik tayo doon. So, problem number 1. Yan. So, ang tawag naman dito, okay, ang tawag dyan is explicit. Explicit constraints. Ito naman, hanggang dito pala. So, yung tatlo. Ito naman, ito yung tinatawag nating implicit. Ito yung non-negativity. Okay? So, ano ba yung ginawa natin kanina? Since meron na tayong table or data, gagawa na tayo ng x-intercept. So, what is the x-intercept of first equation? This is our first, second, and third. So, tatlo yan. First is x plus 2y. Oh, di ba? Tingnan nyo. Gumamit siya ng greater than and less than. It is only an example. Okay? Example lang yan, ng minimization. But kapag hindi po binigay yung ganyang data, ang gagawin ninyo is greater than palagi or less. Greater than or equal to. Less than naman kapag maximize. So since binigay na yung data, ang gagawin lang natin is i-copy syempre. So x plus 2y equals 10. And since we're looking for the x-intercept, so let y is equal to 0. X plus 2 times 0 is equal to 10. So cancel na yan, x is equal to 10. And then the ordered pair is 10, 0. Next, for y-intercept of first equation, this is our first equation. First equation po ito. So next is x plus 2y equals 10. Then let x is equal to 0 since we're looking for the value of y-intercept. So divide natin yan sa 2. Kung dinivide mo yan sa 2, ang sagot ay 5. So the second ordered pair is 0 and 5. Next is the second equation is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 18. Gagawin na natin siyang equal. 3x plus 2y equals 18. So, x-intercept ang aking hahanapin. So, magiging 3x plus 2 times 0 equals 18. Cancel na yan. So, 3x is equal to 18. Then, divide natin sa 3. So, x is equal to 6. So, magiging 6, 0. Next is yung y-intercept ng second equation. So 3x plus 2y equals 18. Then, magiging 3 times 0 na siya plus 2y equals 18. And so na yan, 2y equals 18. And then, i-divide lang natin sa 2, magiging 9. So, this is 0 and 9. Next is yung third natin dyan is x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay? X is greater than or equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. So mayroon tayong x which is equal to 2. Okay? So kukunin natin yung first equation dyan. X plus 2y. X plus 2y, x plus 2y equals 10. So, yung x natin dyan, substitute natin dito. So, yung 2 plus 2y equals 10. Then, pupunta yung 2 sa kabila. So, maging 2y is equal to 10 minus 2. then 2y equals 8. Divide natin sa 2, then y is equal to 4. Then the ordered pair now is 2 and 4. Ito yung post, dyan po yan galing. First equation pa lang yan ha. First equation ng combination ng third and first. The combination of second equation and third equation. So x is equal to 2. So 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y equals 18. Kunin natin yung y-intercept niya. Yung 2, lalagay natin sa may x. So magiging 3 times 2 plus 2y equals 18. So yung 6, ililipat sa kabila. So magiging 2y is equal to 18 minus 6. So magiging 2y is equal to 12. Divide natin sa 2. Then y will become 6. So the order pair of second equation is 2 and 6. Get nyo ba? So, thumbs up po tayo. Nagets po yung ating mga ordered pair. Wala pa yung point of intersection. Kunin natin yung point of intersection natin. So, balik tayo doon sa first and second intersection, like equation. So, our first and second equation is ito po. Yan. Yung nakabox po yan. Yan. Kunin ko yan, di ba? So, x plus 2y. Kunin natin yan. So, x plus 2y equals 10. Tapos yung isa naman is 3x. 3x plus 2y equals 18. Ngayon, elimination ang ating gagamitin. So, ano sa tingin nyo ang aking gagamitin para ma-eliminate yung isang variable? Is it plus or minus? Is it plus or minus? Point of intersection na tayo kaya elimination. Yan, tama ba yan? Minus ulit yan. So, variable to variable, then constant to constant. So, magiging x plus 2y minus 3x plus 2y equals 10 minus 18. Yung negative na yan, i-distribute natin. So, magiging x plus 2y minus 3x minus 2y equals 10 minus 18 is negative 8. So, negative 2y, positive 2y is consonant. Very good, kaya minus po yan. Yung x minus negative 3x, the answer is negative 2x equals negative 8. Divide natin both sides by negative 2 para mag-positive siya. Then, the answer will be x is equal to 4. So, our x coordinate for point of intersection is 4. Now, next is your y. Anong ginagawa natin dito? Pipili tayo ng isang equation dito para makuha natin yung y coordinate. So, ang pinili ko ay x plus 2y equals 10. Then, yung x daw is 4. So, magiging 4 yung x natin dyan. Then, 2y is equal to 10. Sorry, baka-equal sign dyan. Dapat plus. So, yung 4, adding like terms, lilipat sa kabila, magiging 10 minus 4. Then, 2y is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 2. Then, y is equal to 3. So, the point of intersection now is 4 and 3. So, we're good to go. So, let's have the graph. Ay, sorry. Another problem na yan. Kulang ng space. Space lang ako Kulang tayo ng space. Dito tayo. So, let's have the graph. So, saan natin kukunin yung mga graph details? Siyempre doon sa mga x and y intercept. Una, mag-drawing muna ako ng Cartesian plane. So, balikan natin yung mga ordered pair na nakuha. The first one is 10, 0, and 0, 5. 10, 0, and 0, 5. 10, 0 is x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 10, 0 is located here. Yan. X, Y, X yan, tapos to Y. Then 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 0, 5 for our first equation. Okay? First equation. This is our first equation. I-connect na natin. So that is a straight line. Palakihin natin siya. Yan. Okay, next. Isulatan na natin siya ng equation 1. The second ordered pair or the second equation ordered pair are 6, 0 and 0, 9. 6, 0. 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So nandito si 6. 6, 0. Then 0, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So nandito si 0 and 9. Okay? Next is, ilulukit na natin siya, i-trace na natin siya. So, 0, 9, 0, 9 to 6, 0. 0, 9 to 6, 0. All right. Next. Next. Yung ating 2, 4, and 2, 6. Meron tayong 2, 4, and 2, 6. 2, 4, and 2, 6. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So nandito yung lagay natin yung 2, 4 dito. Then 2, 6, 1, 2. Nandito yung 2, 6. 2, 4, 2, 6. Okay? Next. Straight line lang yan. Straight line. So 2, 4, 2, 6. Okay. So, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. 2, 4, and 2, 6. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is, i-trace na natin siya. Okay. Lalagyan na natin yung shaded part. So, ano yung equation 3? This is equation 3. Ano naman yung equation 2? 8. Highlighter, yellow na lang. Green muna. Okay, highlighter, green. Punta tayo sa first equation. The first equation symbol is greater than. Okay? Yung first equation natin is greater than. So, greater than siya, kaya pataas. Ito yung first equation natin, ha? So, pataas siya. Doon, taas. Taas po yan. Yan, hanggang din na lang kasi border yan eh. Next, yung second equation symbol natin is, yung inequality niya is, ito po, kitang-kita dyan na less than. Yung equation 2. So, equation 2 po, ito yon, less than siya, kaya yung ating pababa siya kaya less than. So, ito po yun. So, gamit tayo ng red. Blue pala. So, yan. Ito. Yan. Next naman is, gamit tayo ng green for the third equation. Ito yung third equation. Ano bang symbol ng third equation natin, sir? Kitang-kita po dyan na greater than. So, going to the right. So, ito po yun. Right. Yan. Para, kung saan sila nag-overlap ng 3 beses, ito po yun. Ito sila nag-overlap ng 3 beses. 1, 2, at 3. Yan. So, ito yung point of intersection natin. Yan yung 4 and 3. So, saan yung 4 and 3, sir? Ito po yun. So, that is the point of intersection. So, sir, ano po ito? Yan yung 2, 4. Sir, ano po ito? Yan yung 2, 6. Yan sila nag-overlap ng 3 beses. Yan o, yung triangle na maliit. Yan sila nag-overlap. Okay? Kaya yung mga vertices natin is 2, 4, 2, 6, and 4, 3. Okay, saan galing yung 2, 4, and 2, 6, sir? Yun yung third equation natin. 2, 4, and 2, 6. And based from the direction of the shaded part of every equation, dito po sila nag-meet ng 3 beses. Yung shaded part natin. 3 beses yan. Ito, 2 beses lang. 2 beses. 2 beses. Ito, 3 beses sa gitna. So, ang tawag dyan is feasible feature. Okay? Tapos, ang tawag dito is feasible vertices. Ilagay na natin yung feasible vertices. So, we have the cos is equal to, ano yung objective function natin? 50x, 60y. 60x, 50x pala. Ilagay natin is 50x plus 60y. Then, meron tayong 26. Meron tayong 24. Meron tayong 43. So, saan galing yan? Yan yung feasible vertices natin. 2, 4, 2, 6, 4, 3. Okay? So, substitute na natin siya. Minimize to, minimize. Kaya C. So, 50 times 2 plus 60 times 6. So, please multiply. Then, this is 50 times 2 plus 60 times 4 equals. And sa kabila naman is 50 times 4 plus 60 times 3 equals. So what do you think is the lowest price or the lowest cost that are going to use what ordered pair? So what is 50 times 2 plus 60 times 6 equals? Please type your answer. So 460 for first. Thank you, Ben. How about the 2 and 4? 2 and 4 nga, 340. How about the second and the third one? The last one. It's 380. Okay. So based from the data, the lowest is the ordered pair 2 and 4. Right? So ibig sabihin po, to minimize the monthly cost and increase profit, we should build 2, 4. We should build 2, 4 with 340 pesos. So ang pipili natin dyan is 2, 4, which is the lowest cost. Okay, any questions? May tanong po ba bago tayo mag-proceed sa ibang examples? Hello? Hello guys, kumusta naman kayo dyan? Ayos lang ba kayo dyan? Yes, may question po ba? May gusto niyo bang balikan natin yung part na naguluhan kayo? Sabihin niyo lang. No. May babalikan ba tayo? Opo. Ano na? Grabe, naiintindihan niyo agad. Galing mo naman. Ano na? No, guys. O example pa. Sinong may gustong example pa? Type 1. May time pa naman 30 minutes pa naman. Any type 1 if you want to have more example? Any type 1 in our chat box. Yeah, parehas. Same procedure. That's it. Correct? Exactly, bien. Thank you for your observation. Same process, pero the maximization is you're going to get the maximum or the higher value. when it comes to minimize, you're going to get the lowest value. Okay, that is the summarize of our lesson. We're going to summarize our lesson. That is the perfect answer. Same procedure, but they have different answer when it comes to, and they have different answer in choosing, which is the minimize, which is the maximize. But we have the keyword there, which is the maximize, then you're going to get the highest value. But when it comes to minimize, you get the lowest value. And when it comes to maximize, it is denoted by P. Kasi yung pinaka-maximum profit ang kunin doon. When it comes to minimize, ano doon yung pinaka-minimum? Yung pinaka-mababa para tumaas yung kanilang kita. So, yun yung tinatawag na cost, minimum cost, minimize. It is denoted as C or minimize. Same procedure. If you have three equations, ang tawag doon is explicit. If you have three equations, then you have three lines. It's like the problem number 2. We have 3 lines there, right? Then if you are going to get the x and y intercept, then get the x and y intercept the first, the second, and the third. Okay? Same process lang. Okay, any questions or concerns about our lesson? So, dinadahan-dahan natin kasi for me, it's a long procedure. Nakakahaba. Do you have any questions and we have another problem? Are you ready? If you want one problem, then please type 1. Please type 1. Kung isa pa, gusto niyo pag-isa. Kung naiintindihan niyo na pala, agad. Shortcut. Nakakalito yung ano niya, wala naman siyang shortcut. Ito yung graphical method. This is the graphical method. And the second method is the simplex method. Okay. For me, this is the best method. Mas maiintindihan niyo siya compared doon sa isang method na simplex method. Even me, hindi ko masyadong gets yung isang method niya. Wala siyang shortcut, napakahaba talaga. Pero madali lang naman kunin naman Madali lang naman ang kunin ang x and y intercept niya. Madali lang naman kunin. Yan. May isang method siya simplex method. Yun yung isang method. Then, tinry ko naman, medyo nakakalito yung isa, yung simplex method. Kasi sa simplex method, mahirapan ka. Mahirapan ka talaga kasi kailangan mong kunin muna. Kailangan mong kunin yung ganito. Yan. Dapat marunong kang mag-analyze ng problem just like this. Okay, ganyan. Tingnan nyo tong pangalawang problem. Yan. You're helping your aunt, but about her both compete in producing 2 designs of plants. So, meron tayong design A, design B. O, dapat yung A nyo dyan maging X na. Yung design niyo dyan is Y. Ito naman, sabi niya dito, these are the materials. 18 square meters of cotton and 20 square meters of silk and 5 square meters of wool. Okay? So, agad, makikita mo dyan na ang availability ng cotton is 18, availability ng silk is 20, and yung W naman is 5. Tapos yung design A requires the following. O, di ba? Yung design A, 3, 2, 1. Design B, 2, 4, 2, 4 lang. Tapos yung design A, meron siyang 1, 2, and then meron siyang 6. O, di ba? Napakadali lang. Ganito yan. So, meron tayong materials. Ano yung mga nabanggit na materials, sir? So, meron tayong cotton, meron tayong S, silk, and W for wool. Then, meron tayong mga design. Diba? So, meron tayong design A. Yung design A natin, nilet natin as X. Diba? Tapos yung design B, yun yung ating Y. Dito lang kayo, ito yung part na medyo mahirap. Pero ano naman, i-understand nyo lang yung problem o respectively naman niya sinasabi eh. Availability. Kahit basahin nyo ng paulit. Okay, sa cotton, yun sa silk, and sa last part, tingnan nyo mabuti. Sinabi niya naman doon eh. So, tingnan nyo. Sa design A, meron tayong 3, respectively yan, 3 to 1. Okay. Ilagay mo na agad doon, 3 to 1. So, 3 to 1. Next naman sa B, sabi niya doon, design B, 2, 4. 2, 4 lang siya. Wala siyang last. So, 2, 4 lang po yan. So, 2, 4, 0. Yung availability nila is yung 18, 20, and 5. 18, 18, 20, and 5. Since maximize ang hinahanap, P yan, sa design A daw is 1, then the design B is 1, 6. Saan galing yan? Maximum ang hinahanap, 1, 2 daw sa A, 1, 6 naman sa B. Ayan. So, alam mo na yung objective mo. Ang yung objective function is ito. 1, 2 plus 1, 6y. Okay? Ito naman yung first equation mo, second equation, third equation. Dagdag mo lang x, 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 y, y, y. Ito ang dadagdag mo dito since maximization, less than yan lahat. Less than or equal to. Yan. Pare-parehas yan. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo kapag maximize, less than or equal to ang gagamitin. Tapos, i-ano mo na yan dito. So, maximize, objective function mo is 1,200x plus 1,600y for objective function. Or it is subject to your explicit, your first equation there, explicit ang tawag doon, 3x plus 2y. So 3x plus 2y less than or equal. Okay? Palaging plus yan ha, plus. So 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 18. Next naman is yung 2x plus, 2x plus 4y. So 2x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. Yung isa naman is x na lang siya, wala siyang y. So x is less than or equal to 5. So x plus, wala nang y pala. Sorry. So x less than or equal to 5. X less than or equal to 5. So this is the explicit. And of course, the constant implicit, x and y. So palagi siyang greater or equal to, so greater than or equal to 0 and 0. So tawag dyan is implicit or non-negativity constraints. Ito naman yung explicit na. Yan. Tapos, ito na yung objective function mo, objective function. Then, ang gagawin mo dyan, kunin mo na yung mga x and y intercept. So, kunin natin yung x and y intercept natin. Ito yung magiging equation natin. Kunin ko lang ito. Yung tatlong equation. So, tikit natin. So, wala nang space. Yan. Tignan natin dito. Kunin natin yung x and y intercept of 3x plus, direct na natin palitan yung mga inequality ng equal sign. Magiging 18 na yan. So, x intercept. So, this is 3x plus 2 times 0 equals 18. So, this is 3x equals 18. Then, divide natin sa t. The answer will be x is equal to 6. The ordered pair here is 6, 6, 0. Next is the y-intercept of the first equation is 3x plus 2y equals 18. So 3 times 0 plus 2y equals 18. Then 2y equals 18. Divides to 2, divides to 2. Then y is equal to 9. And this is 0 and 9. Alright, so we already have the coordinates of first equation. And the second equation, we have 2x plus 4y equals 20. To find the x-intercept, so in finding the x-intercept again, let y is equal to 0, and y is equal to 0, cancel na yan, and 2x is equal to 20. Then divide by 2, x is equal to 10. Of course, the ordered pair is 10 and 0. Next is for the y-intercept. Y-intercept is 2x plus 4y is equal to 20. Since we're looking for the value of y-intercept, then let x is equal to 0 plus 4y equals 20. And so na yan, divide natin ito by 4, then x is equal to 5. And the ordered pair is 5 and 0. Okay, dito naman tayo sa third equation. The third equation is x less than or equal to 5. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is x is equal to 5. Kunin natin yung first equation. Third to first muna. So, magiging 3 times 5 plus 2y equals 18. So, ito yung 15 plus 2y equals 18. Yung 15 pupunta sa kabila. So, magiging 2y equals 3. So, divide natin sa 2, divide natin sa 2. So, y is equivalent to 3 all over 2 or 1.5. So, yung x natin dyan is 5, then 1.5 naman yung ating y. Okay? Next, ikunin pa natin yung third equation to second equation. Okay? So, ito. Ay, ikakopy ko na lang. Balik ito ang ikopy natin. Okay. So, third equation, third to second equation. Your x here is 5. So, magiging 2 times 5 plus 4y. Andito na ako sa second equals 20. Ito magiging 10. Lipat sa kabila. Ako nag-cancel. Sorry. Lipat sa kabila yan. Magiging 4y is equal to 20 minus 10. Then 4y is equal to 10. Divide natin sa 4. Pag divide mo sa 4 is 5 all over 2 or 2.5. So your x here is 5, 5, and 2.5 for your y. Okay, so we're done with the intercepts of first to third equation. So moving on to point of intersection. Copy natin ulit. Ulit natin yung point of intersection. So point of intersection, kunin natin ito. So 3x plus elimination pa rin equals 18. And 2x plus 4y equals 20. So kahit anong gawin mo dyan is wala kang makakancel na equation. Or yung wala kang makakancel na variable. So anong gagawin mo dyan? Mag-multiply tayo both side para may isang variable na mag-i-equal sila. So, i-try ko dito si 2 at dito naman si 3. Kasi kapag ganyan ang ginawa natin, magiging sagot ngayon dito is 6x plus 4y equals 36. Ito naman, 3 times magiging 6x na siya plus 12y equals 60, which is correct. Kasi nag-equal na po si 6x and 6x. Kaya kapag nag-equal na sila, si Bien naman, sasabihin niya minus para mag-cancel, di ba? So, gagawin natin dyan, 6x plus 4y. Minus natin yan sa 6x plus 12y equals 36 minus 60. Okay, just follow the order, ha? Always follow the order of the equation. So ito, i-multiply natin yung negative sa inside equation. So 6x plus 4y minus 6x minus 12y equals 36 minus 60 is negative 24. So 6 and 6x minus 6x is cancel. And 4y to negative 12y is negative 8y equals negative 24. Then divide natin yan sa negative 8, i-divide natin sa negative 8. So the answer here is y is equal to 3. And that is our point of intersection. So y is equal to 3. Then pili tayo ng isang equation dito. Sa-substitute na natin yung y is equal to 3. Okay? So ilagay natin yung y is equal to 3 sa ating first equation. Ang napili ko is yung ating first equation. So magiging 3x plus 2 times 3 is equal to 18. And 3x plus 6 is equal to 18. Adding like terms. So magiging 3x is equal to 6. 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6. That is 12. Then divide natin sa 3. Then the answer will be 4. So our point of intersection, PI, sabihin yung PI, X, Y. So we have 4 and 3. So that is our point of intersection. 4 and 3. Okay. Tapos, ang gagawin dyan, i-graph na naman natin. Okay, gawa tayo ng graph ulit. So, graphing ulit yan, guys. Para makuha natin yung sagot. So, our first, ito naman yung first natin, 6, 0. First ordered pair is 6, 0 and 0, 9. Okay, lagyan natin 6, 0. 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, nandito si 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, approximately, nandito si 0 and 9. Then, gamit tayo ulit ng ayan. Lang natin. Ayan. Yan. Diba, social? Diba ang haba? Sir, ang sakit sa ulo. Equation 1. This is our equation 1. So, balikan natin yung our x-intercept ng second equation natin. That is 10, 0 and 10, 0, 5, 0. 10, 0, 5, 10, 0, 10, 0, and wait, bakit y ito? Sorry. Balik ito. This is wrong. This is, okay, this is wrong, guys. Because we're looking for the value of y there. So our answer should be y. Cancel yan. So y is equal to 5. So dapat 0 and 5. Right? So 0 and 5, 10, 0. 0, 5, 10, 10, 0. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Una yung 10 and 0. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito na yung 0 and 5. Next, lagyan natin ito dito. Ay, wala pa pala. Wala pang dot. Yung 0 and 5. Lagyan natin. Yan. Okay, next pa. Okay, usog pa. Usog pa. Usog pa, sir. Yan. O, diba? Nahihilo-helo na kayo. This is equation 2. Next, yung equation 3 naman, kunin natin yung x-intercept niya. So, the x-intercept is 5.5 and 2 po. Yan. So, the first one is 5 and 1.5. And then, the second one is 5 and 2.5. Okay, 5, 1.5. Okay, approximate nandito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1.5 nandito. 1.5. Okay, sabihin mo na lang na nandito yung 1.5 natin. Approximate nandito yung 1.5. 5 and 1.5. Tapos, yung sa kabila is yung 5 and 2.5. So, 2.5 nandito. Yung na nandito. Yan. Dito. Banking. Tapos, gamit tayo ng line. Okay. Yan. Tapos, straight line yan ha. Kasi 5. Yan. Tapos, yung point of intersection nila is yung nandito, guys. Ito yung point of intersection ha. Ito yung 4, 3. So, saan galing yan? Ito po. 4, 3. Ito yung, ano ito? 4, 3. Ito yung sa 5 and 1.5. Ito naman is yung 5 and 2.5. Okay. Equation. This is equation 3. So, what is the direction? Gamit tayo ng green. Tapos, highlighter for equation 1. Equation 1, kitang-kita na less than. Lahat po less than. Less than lahat. So, lahat po yan less than. So, lahat po yan papuntang baba. So, lahat yan papuntang baba. So, the first equation, ito yung first equation natin. Blah, 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 blah. So, lahat yan pababa. So, ito, yan. Yung doon. Ito, tapos ito. Next is green. Lang tayo ng green. Pababa lahat. Ito. So, yung ito naman. Ito. Tapos ito. Okay. Next is yung straight line. Gamit tayo ng violet. So, doon. So, kitang-kita dyan. Yung point intersection, gagamit ako ng blue. Ito, hanggang dito, ito. Yan yung kanilang overlapping na tatlo. Ito yung feasible region niya. So, feasible region. Sana okay lang kayo dyan. Next. So, ano yung mga violet tayo? Violet, gamit tayo ng. So, ano yung mga na-touch niyang mga vertices? Ito, 1. Tapos ano pa? Ito. Itong 4, 3. Okay, hindi nakasama yung 4, 3. Tapos, yung nakasama dyan is yung 5. Ito, yung 5, 1.5 kasi nandito siya eh. Yan. 5, 1.5. Kasama yan. 5, 1.5. Kasama po yan. Okay. So, 0, 5. So, 0, 5. Next is ito, yung point of intersection is 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Next is, ang merong dot dyan is ito. Tatlo yung may dot dyan ha. Yung, yan, tatlo lang yan. Hindi kasama ito kasi wala namang dot dyan. Yung 0, 5, wala yung 5 and 0 dyan ha. Wala yan. Meron lang dyan is yung tatlo. Yung 5, 1.5, and point of intersection. Yan. Tapos ang gagawin nyo dyan, syempre, babalikan nyo yung iba ng space. Babalikan nyo ulit yung kanyang objective function, di ba? Yung objective function niya is, ano yung nabuo natin objective function niya? Yan. Ito yun. Yung objective function niya is, makarap ito. Lagay muna natin dyan. Okay. So, lagay natin doon is 0.5, yung 4.3, then yung 5 and 1.5. Pipili na tayo dito yung pinakamataas kasi maximize. No? 1, 2 times 0 plus 1, 6 times 5. 1, 2 times 4 plus 1, 6. Piling ko 4, 3 ang sagot dito. Tapos 1, 2 times 5 plus 1, 6 times 1.5. Okay, what is the answer in 0, 5, guys? What is the answer? Can you please type? What is the answer in the first, second, and third? If you type your answer, then that's all for today. What is the answer in 0, 5? Guys, what is the answer in 0, 5? Diyan galing yan ha. Dito galing po yan. No? Yan. Dito po kinuha yung mga vertices ng feasible vertices natin. Guys, what is 0, 5? What is the amount? Hello? 8,000. How about the other one? How about the 4-3? I think the answer here is 4-3 kasi 4 times 1, 2, and 3 times 1, 6. I think this is the bigger one. How much for our second order pair? 4-3. How about the third one, guys? Okay, 9-6. How about the third one? How about the third one? How about the third one? 1, 2 times 5 and 1, 6 times 1.5. 8, 4. Okay. So the answer here is the maximum is 1, 6. I mean 4, 3. So the maximum, therefore, the answer here is 4 and 3 with 9,600. So thank you for listening. And again, that is our last topic for Math 152. And thank you so much for one semester. And thank you so much for a short months in teaching the PSIT 13 and 14. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa akin. And this is not the last na mag-meet po tayo. So hoping na ma-meet ko pa kayo sa next semester or sa mga susunod na semester. So thank you so much. And that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys. Happy lunch. Bye-bye, guys.